It's your City Boy OG Bry-dee, host of Urban Realness. Hit that subscribe button, that like button, that share, and that notification. I'm at a car show out here, the undisclosed location. And I'm about to walk over here to the Chevy. As you can see, go here, little Chevy right here. Looking nice, you know, but I'm going to the hardcore Chevy. You got the Lax over here. You got a few whatever's over here, you know, Buicks. But you know, I'm a Chevy man. You got your Cadillac daddies right here. You know, the backside of your Lax. These are individuals right here. This is the individual car club out here. You know, but like I said, I'm a Chevy man. I'm gonna come over here by the Chevys. Chevys is what's happening, the trays and the foes. You know, ain't nothing like a tray, ain't nothing like a foe. Best hopper in the world is a foe. You know, we get over to these foes, man. That's what I'm partial to. 64 Chevys. Ain't nothing like a 64. It's a nice 64 right here. It's a beautiful foe right here. You know? Like I said, I'm partial to the foes. Ain't nothing like a 64 Chevy. These are the hoppers right here. These are the Chevys right here. You can't beat this right here. It's a beast right here. Yeah, I'm out here. As I say, I'm out here in the streets. Exposed bank. Can't get past that. Real nice. Trucks out here. They like these trucks at the front, back, side to side, go side to side. I call them show trucks, you know. They do their thing, you know. You see the trucks right here, you see the interior. Brother got the nice interior right here, the old school interior, the old school velour, you know. They call them trick trucks or something like that. You know, these really became popular in the 80s when they had all the Nissan trucks and the Azusa trucks and things of that nature. Here go another one right here. You know, you got little passengers right here, little baby Chuckies. That's what they look like to me. You know. Yeah, so this is what's popping, man. They got the trucks. I gotta watch out for the Chevy.